tock, tick tock, time marches on. Tick tock, time marches on.
Let's learn about time in every way. There's 24 hours in the day. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The moon comes up at night, now it's time to rest.
Tick tock, time marches on. Tick tock, time marches on.
Small hand on the clock tells us the hour. Wake up in the AM, now it's time to shower. Getting ready in the morning, time to start the day. After school it's PM, now it's time to play.
Tick tock, time marches on. Tick tock, time marches on. 24 hours in the day. My clock has a round or rectangle display.
Done with all my schoolwork, I'm going to the park. Playing while there's light outside before it gets too dark. The time is getting late, nighttime is ahead. Dream about tomorrow, cause it's time to go to bed.
Tick tock, time marches on. Tick tock, time marches on. 24 hours in the day. My clock has a round or rectangle display. Tick tock, time marches on. Tick tock, time marches on. 24 hours in the day. My clock has a round or rectangle display.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Dr. Joy.